One of the top restricted free agents on the market has avoided arbitration. The Seattle Kraken came to an agreement with their top defender on Friday evening, signing Dunn to a 4-year contract extension worth an average annual value of $7.35 million. The deal ties Dunn to Seattle through the 2026-1927 season and ensures that the two sides won't have to endure the prickly process that is arbitration, while positioning Dunn to cash in upon expiry as an unrestricted free agent. It's not a shock that Dunn would pull in quite the pay raise this summer. The 26-year-old broke out in a big way in 2022-1923, putting up career-best numbers to the tune of 14 goals and 50 assists for 64 points in 82 games, while logging nearly 24 minutes in average nightly ice time. That production placed Dunn just outside the top 10 in Norris Trophy voting at the end of the year, finishing 11th among all qualified defensemen.